Hello again. In this video, it's kind of different from my other videos, but you're still learning Tagalog, basic Tagalog phrases, and we'll talk about romance. And if you wanted to talk to your friend or you want to have a girlfriend, something like that. So let's start. I like your smile. Gusto ko ang iyong ngiti. Gusto ko ang iyong ngiti. I miss you. Miss na kita. Miss na kita. I love you. Mahal kita. Mahal kita. Do you love me? Mahal mo ba ako? Do you miss me? Nami-miss mo ba ako? Do you like me? Gusto mo ba ako? Gusto mo ba ako? May I kiss you? Maaari ba kitang halikan? Maaari ba kitang halikan? Do you have a girlfriend? May nobya ka na ba? Or may nobya ka ba? Do you have a boyfriend? May nobyo ka ba? Let's go out sometime. Labas tayo minsan. Labas tayo minsan. Can I offer you a ride home? Pwede ba kita ihatid sa bahay niyo? Let's go out and eat. Kumain tayo sa labas. Would you like to go watch a movie? Gusto mo bang manood ng sine? Can I call you? Pwede ba kitang tawagan? What would you like to do? Anong gusto mong gawin? Anong gusto mong gawin? I want to see you. Gusto kitang makita. Gusto kitang makita. Can I ask you something? Maaari ba akong magtanong sa iyo? Maaari ba akong magtanong sa iyo? Pwede ba kitang yakapin? Can I hug you? Can I hug you? Pwede ba kitang yakapin? You are very beautiful. Ikaw ay napakaganda. You are very sexy. Napaka-sexy mo. You are very handsome. Napakagwapo mo. Napakagwapo mo. So that's it. And I hope you like this video. And I hope this video will boost your confidence when talking to your crush or someone that you like here in Philippines. Thank you.